the Arellano Band for accompanying our next image. We would like to acknowledge the following for the participation of our following image. Most Reverend Sofronio A. Bancud, SSDD, Bishop of Cabanatuan, Reverend Father Aldrin B. Domingo, Rector and Parish Priest, Reverend Father Eric M. Yabut, Parochial Vicar, Reverend Father Jose Salvador Malyare, President, Divina Pastora College, Congressman Emerson and Judy Pascual, 4th District of Nueva Ecija. Mayor Joy Pascual from the City of Gapan, from the City Local Government of Gapan, Nueva Ecija, Attorney Victorino and Sofia Borja, Pastoral Executive Officer, Dr. Felipe and Lilia Caro, Finance Chairpersons, Professor Edgardo and Priscilla Papena, Basilica Council Chairpersons. We would also like to acknowledge the Knights of the Altar sa pangunguna ni Ginoong Mark Jerome Soriano, Three Kings Parish Youth Ministry sa pangunguna ni Trixie Montero, Hazel Dimas, Ayla Matia, Knights of Columbus sa pangunguna ni Divina Pastora Pilgrimage Team sa pangunguna ni John Michael Victor, Floral and Physical Arrangements sa pangunguna ni Ginoong Christian M. Mangakas, Radia de la Virgen Divina Pastora sa pangunguna ni Ginoong Knights of Divina Pastora sa pangunguna ni Ginoong Marcelino
sa Binebeng.
La Virgen Divina Pastora.
Ayan.
It is believed that the first image of the divine shepherdess was brought to Nueva Ecija in the 17th century, while missionaries introduced sheep racing to the region. The statue was venerated at the first church built in Gapan, Nueva Ecija. The image disappeared from the church one day and was later found under a Carios tree. This image is enshrined at the Three Kings Parish in Gapan, Nueva Ecija. On December 1963, Pope Paul VI approved the canonical coronation of the image of La Virgen Divina Pastora. Since the original image is privately owned, the church-owned image was used for the coronation ceremony, which was presided by the first bishop of the Diocese of Cavite, whose Reverend Viola, on April 26, 1964. The original image of La Virgen Divina Pastora was donated to the parish of the Three Kings, with a declaration of the church as a national shrine on April 26, 1986.
¡Viva la Virgen Divina Pastora! ¡Viva! ¡Viva la Virgen Divina Pastora! ¡Viva! ¡Viva la Virgen Divina Pastora! ¡Viva!
Maraming salamat po sa mga taga-Gapan, Nueva Ecija.
Dami rin.
Natalo pa ngayon ha.
Benching kong bus daw po.